I'm very kind of new to BGYO. How do you say this? I really need. Listen, I'm ashamed that I don't know Tagalog fully. I understand it here and there. I come out like it's like some words pop up and I kind of understand like the situation, but like to understand it fully, I don't. I never grew up learning it or like speaking it, so I do feel bad sometimes or most times, especially recently when working with like other Filipino like staff or like stuff like that. That isn't your fault. Um, I know it isn't, but I feel like I should learn, especially even like Korean as well, because like I've been in this industry, uh, listening to Korean, but I don't really know it fully. I do have to take a class or start using it a lot more. But anyways, we're talking about BGYO. This is Tumitigil ang Mundo official. Oh, ABS-CBN, what's poppin'? Whoa. Whoa. Oh, goddamn, they are handsome. What the hell? Whoa. He's like, I'm just gonna step in. Hold up. Oh, what? Where are we? Oh, whoa. What the hell? Oh, wait, he's hunting him down? Oh, they're in an amusement park. Bro, why he look like me in 2016? All clean shaven and the same hair. Ooh, okay, sir. Oh, we're going to a different world? You just gonna follow this girl? The world stops. Okay, don't try to risk me up. Oh, it didn't work. Ah. Oh, what? I become restless whenever you smile. Damn. Woo. Hey, yo, chill. Yo, check that belt. Bro, I hate those rides. Ooh, okay with the choreo. Hey, what? Why are they transporting everywhere? Oh, Miss Ma'am. They running for you. Woo. This is BGYO. To those who want to know. Oh, okay. Don't be waking me, raising me up. How old are they? Is that a paintball? Oh! They're trying to find her, but she's like... This is like a fun music video. Just going to a freaking, like, amusement park. Woo! Hey! Woo! Get it! Get it! Get it! Oh! Oh, 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 get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, I like their sound. Okay. Oh, he was getting it. Do. Woo! Hey, yo, don't be winking at me like that. I'm just sorry. Hey, this little cutie. What the hell? Hey, let me do that wink one more time. Hey, yo. They're like little bros. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna support them, bro. Oh, he popped off. Is that my bias? I keep on looking at him. Hey, yo. Hey. Let's get it. Let's go. Come on. BGYO. Let's go. Is there more? Woo. Hey, hey. Wait, I need to get to know them. Can I get like, let me get like you know, they're always on K-pop profiles. BGYO. Is it BGYO? Yeah. Members. I'm gonna look this up, chat. I'm gonna look this up. Hold up. Okay. This is BGYO, 5-member P-pop boy group under Star Magic. We got Jilo, Akira, JL, Mickey, and Nate. Okay. Jilo. Or Jello? Is it Jello? Jilo? Angelo Troy Rivera. He is the leader, lead rapper, lead dancer, center face of the group. God damn, bro, you got a lot of roles up in this house. 6'2". 6'2". I have never met another Filipino 6'2". I need to meet your ass. Hold on. I need to listen here, sir. 6'2". Nah. No, I gotta see it to believe it. He's an Aries too. Okay. What is he like? He loves sinigang and adobo. Me too. Akira. Oh. He's a lead vocalist and main visual. Akira Morishita. Oh, he's half Japanese. Ooh, that's why you look different. Okay. JL. Oh, John Lloyd Torrelisa? Virgo. Okay, we got a Virgo in the house. Me too. What is Akira? A Taurus. Okay. You ain't got no right to be 6'2". Listen. That's unfair. I just hung out with a man that's 6'5". He's Tongan. Polly. You know that? Mickey. Oh, Chinese. His mom's half Chinese, so he's Filipino Chinese. Okay. There's some hoppas up in this house. Sorry, I shouldn't say it like that. They got Nathaniel. I love the name. Remember Nathaniel, y'all? Nate. Cancer, 5'10". They all tall as hell. I don't believe y'all. I need to check y'all shoes. He's an only child. I relate. Okay. I get it. Okay. BGYO, everybody. Magnet official MV. Let's check it out in 3, 2, 1. ABS CBS. Oh, ABS CBN. Sorry, I keep on saying that. Whoa. What are we? Where we at? What? Chains? Whoa. Oh, it's totally different. I got like the bass in it too. The guitar. Ooh. Very smoother vocals. Let's go. On a tightrope. Hey, yo. Woo. Woo. Oh, that's fire right there. Oh, that's fire. Hey, I think that's my bias. I think that's my bias. The He the Fave. Whoa. Looking for that door. Oh, whoa. Hey, yo. They get tired though. Ooh. Bro, on a tightrope though. He's trying to break through the ice, right? Or a box, I think. Wrong key. So they have like a task they have to go through too. Oh, that's so fire. Let's go. Bonnie and Clyde ride or die. That little move right there. Are you smooth with it? Hey. Whoa. Those eyes are creepy. What the hell? What is that? Overall, that was fire. Shout out to B. Shout out to BGYO. Bro, I'm still on those eyes. Hey, they onto something. This is like older stuff, so I haven't checked out the newer stuff, but let me know. Let me know if you want me to check it up. Let's check out BGYO. Gigil or Gigil? Gigil? ABS-CBN. Love you. I love you. I love Gigil. Whoa. Did not expect all that. Yo. Where we going? What the hell Gigil mean? Can someone listen. Teach me. What? The outfits are interesting. Gigil? Hold on, I gotta look at what Gigil means. Hold on, let me look this up. Gigil meaning in Tagalog. Stunned? You got me stunned? Gigil means stunned, it says. That uncontrollable feeling to squeeze something very, very cute. Oh, kilig? Oh, kilig is the giddy butterfly in your stomach. But gigil is the uncontrollable feeling to squeeze something very, very cute. Wait, but they like hip thrusting and everything. What a... Like cute aggression or something? Hey, yo! Hey, yo, them hits don't lie. It seem like... Hey. Ooh. Hey. Let's go. It's going for like cute Cute twerk vibes. Okay, okay. Ooh, my Bobo's on the way. Sorry, random. Ooh. Hey yo. Ooh. Very Latin sound, yeah. Hold up, why are we switching up like this? Literally, I just read a comment says it sounds a very Latin sound, and then the switch up kind of started like some NCT vibe. Very like reggaeton, dancehall, Latin vibes. The suit's colors really do stand out. Ooh, vocals, let's go. Hey, 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 hey. Gigil. Okay, okay, okay. Woo. That was fire, bro. Keep on putting me on. Bro, I am like, there looks like there's so much more to this. And oh my god. Okay, BGYO. Star Music, shout out, shout out. What the hell?
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there.